So let me first show you how this automation is going to work, then we're going to see how this automation can be created. So for that, I'm just going to submit this form right over here. As you can see, I have total of these subscribers in my Kit account. So for the first name over here, I'm just going to keep it as latest. Okay, so I'm just going to enter the first name as latest. For the last name, let's keep it as user only. I'm just going to enter the address. Now for the email, I'm just going to keep it as latest@pabblytudes.com, mobile number as this, and click on this submit button. We have successfully submitted this form. So now let's just open our Kit. Until this subscriber is getting created, I'll just let you know that I use JotForm to collect the course registrations for my platform, and I've warned that whenever someone registers for this free course, instantly a new subscriber will be created in my Kit account using these same details so that I can further nurture them using email marketing automations. Okay, so let me just refresh this list and you're going to see the new subscriber is added right over here, same name and the same email address. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and let's see how to add form responses to Kit instantly. So now let's see how to create this automation. So to create this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can try Pabbly Connect for free. And once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move in further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, so it is just for you. How can you claim this discount coupon code? For that, you just have to choose your plan, go on this have a coupon button and simply type my coupon code, which is RITYT, click on this apply, and you can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And first, I'll suggest you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now let's see how to create this automation. For that, this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as a form builder application using which we're collecting the registrations or anything else. So as I already told you that I use JotForm to collect the course registration, so I'm just going to select the same right over here. You can choose any another form builder application for yourself. This is just as an example. For the event, I'm just going to select it as new response and click on this connect. We have this webhook URL. So just copy this webhook URL and open your JotForm. So this is the form for which I want to create this automation. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to go on the settings of this form. From the left hand of the side, I'm just going to go on this integrations and then search for webhook right over here and select this webhooks. To add the webhook URL, delete whatever is written right over here. Simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and click on this complete integration. This webhook URL is successfully added. This means that you have created the connection between JotForm and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, we just have to click on this finish button, go on this publish and open this form link in a new tab. So I'm just going to submit this form once right over here in order to capture this webhook response. So for the first name, I'm just going to keep it as Ritika, last name as user, and the rest of the details as this right over here. Okay, so I'll just let you know that you can wait until you receive a real form submission too, but if you don't want to wait, you can simply submit a form yourself and do the test submissions. We have successfully done this test submission and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. You can see that we have successfully captured the response right over here, and now using these details, I'm just going to create a new Kit subscriber. For that, I'm just going to close this trigger and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Kit, and in this video, we're going to use this Kit v4 API key application. So let's just select it. For the event, I'm just going to select it as this, which says insert or update subscriber by email, and click on this connect. Now if you have already created your connection between Kit and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, go on this developer tab in your Kit account settings, and you can directly go by clicking on this link right over here. Now you have to click on this add new key button and simply name the key. So I'm just going to keep the key name as new key and click on this create API key. My key is created, so just copy the key, click on this done, and paste the key right over here. Then click on this save, and your Kit will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking me for the email address and the first name over here, so I'm just going to simply enter both of these details. But here's a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, you have to put a slash search for the details and map it like this. Now for the state, I'm just going to keep it as active. You can select it right over here and then click on this save and send test request. Now we have successfully created this new subscriber. We have received the positive response. So let's open our Kit. Let's just refresh this subscriber list, and you're going to see yes, a new subscriber is created right over here. We just have to refresh this subscriber list right over here, and you're going to see the new subscriber details are added. The name was Ritika and the email address was ritika@pabblytunes.com, and you're going to see the details are added right over here. And yes, with this we have successfully added the new subscriber in our Kit account. Now further, if you want to add the subscriber to a form or a sequence, what you can do is you can simply click on this add new action step, select Kit once again right over here, and then for the event you can select it as add subscriber to form or sequence directly from here. So yes, with this we have successfully created this amazing automation and inserted a subscriber, or we can also update a subscriber by the same email address in our Kit account whenever we receive a new form submission from JotForm. And like I showed in the starting of this video, this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any queries, you can drop them in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to help you out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button for more automation tips and tutorials like this. To subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.